Hi, Honors Algebra 2 students. Mr. Dranko here with your next lesson. We're still in section 6.2, but we're about to wrap that up, and quiz will be coming your way soon. We're on exponential equations, and the last thing I want to talk about is this exponential equation that will give us how much our money grows when we put it in the bank. And everybody likes to hear that. So this is the compound interest equation, and it says that the amount that you have at the end of whatever time period you want to keep the money in there for is equal to the principal, which is the amount that you put in initially, times 1 plus, and then this R is the rate, percent increase, or percent interest that you're earning. So like 5% or 8% or whatever the bank's offering. N is the number of times it's compounded per year, and that shows up twice in the equation. And then T would be how many years you keep the money in the bank for. The equation is pretty straightforward to use. However, there are a few speed bumps regarding how you should format the numbers and what some of the vocab means. So I'm going to give you the skinny on that right now. The rate that the bank is offering will be listed as a percentage, as I stated earlier, 5%. But we want to put it in the equation as a decimal, and so 5% would be 0.05. And so make sure you use the decimal when you put that in here. The other problem with using this equation is that the vocab is sometimes confusing. So I summarized what you'll likely see on these sorts of problems. If they say that the money is compounded weekly, then that would be 52, because there are 52 weeks in a year. If it's compounded monthly, then the N is 12, because there are 12 months in a year. If they say the word bi-monthly, that means every other month, and so there'd be 6 of those periods a year. And semi-annually would be 2. And so those are sort of some simple ones, and maybe some that would trip you up if you weren't sure how to interpret them. So I'm going to give you a few problems to try using this equation, and it should be pretty simple. If you have any questions, rewatch the video or send me an email. I hope you're all doing good. Take care.